Hi guys, how are you all? So I'm Sai Kiran from LetsUpgrade, and I hope that you all guys can see me right now. I'm trying to open your chat, so just give me 1 minute. Let me just open your chat. How are you all? How are you all? So what are you guys doing right now? And from where you guys are? Okay, first and foremost thing, let us introduce ourselves. Okay, I'm seeing your chat right now. So I have people from Shivam Kumar, hi, and Sumedh is saying hi. Good evening, every one of you. I'm Sai Kiran, and you can call me Sai, not sir. Okay, so you guys can call me Sai, not sir, and you can tell me from where you are. So I have Ricky from Kolkata, I have Abhishek Reddy from Tamil Nadu, then I have Web from Rohtak, Haryana. Then Aryan Sharma is saying hi, hi Aryan. Then I have got hi, sir. I'm Aditya. Hi Aditya. Then hello Sai. Okay, hi Ankush. Okay, then Shivam Kumar is from Patna. Then Gujarat, Muzaffarnagar. Okay, Muzaffarpur. I know it's in Delhi, I think. And then you have got Maharashtra. Okay, I'm from UP. Okay, then I'm from Raipur. Hey, hi Aryan. Raipur. Do you know Naya Raipur? I have been there once. Then afterwards, I have got Yari vlogger. Okay, Bikaner, Rajasthan. Hi Yari vlogger. Then we have got Ravi Ranjan Pandey from Chapra. So where are you from? Okay, so guys, I am from Mumbai. When I say Mumbai, it's Navi Mumbai basically, and I am here today to teach you all guys Python. I love teaching and I love solving lot many problems in my day-to-day life in terms of business and in terms of Let's Upgrade itself. So what is Let's Upgrade? Do you guys know what is Let's Upgrade? I would like to introduce you all guys to what is Let's Upgrade and then take it ahead. Okay, so first and foremost thing, Let's Upgrade is a community oriented learning startup, in which a tech learning startup. When I say tech learning startup, you can imagine it as like a place where whatever kind of ideas or whatever kind of skill set you want to learn, okay, so then 100% you can come here and you can actually start learning these all skills. Now, someone is asking me, do you know S8UL House? Ricky, yes, they are very nearby to me. And S8UL House is very nearby to me. I mean, yesterday itself, I was like in front of their house yesterday morning. So I think, Ricky, you got it. So now, yeah. So the, please introduce yourself. Amar Dwarka is like from AP. Hi, Amar. Yella unnavu, baunnava. Then afterwards, Gopal saying, "Hi, Gopal. How are you? Kaisa ka, like, how are you guys? I mean, like, kaise ho bhaiya?" Then afterwards, we have got someone from Gujarat. Came cho tame. Then Jitendra is there. Hi, Jitendra. Yella unnavra. Then whenever Let's Upgrade start class, your video stream starts buffering. Any issue with your connection? No, there is no issue with our connection. There should be some issue at your end. So please check Devirat Chakravarti. And by the way, guys, all the people who want to follow me, you guys can actually follow me at this particular place. Just give me 1 minute. I would like to share my screen. Just give me 1 minute. And how many of you are on what we say Instagram? So please tell me how many of you are Instagram. So I'm looking into your chat right now as you guys are answering this. So how many of you use Instagram every day? So we have something. So I'll show you where I am on Instagram. My name is sai.sundarkar. You can find me on Instagram if you want to. Else you can. What's your age? That's a controversial part, which I have, Ricky. I'm just in my 20s. You can just imagine that then. Okay, now Instagram. Okay, so this is Let's Upgrade Instagram, guys. Please just go follow us, and also please make sure that okay, so this is my profile, sai.sundarkar. You can actually follow me and you can text me there and I'll be available to you all guys. Okay, you can find me from here also. So following 9 people, out of that 9 people, one is Sai. Okay, so you can actually go and follow me here. So just go and follow me, and if you have any kind of what we say questions and all, you can ask me there also. Okay, so now let's just go ahead. Okay, so first and foremost thing, today we all are here to start with our Python program. So how many of you are good with Python? I mean, good at Python. How many of you are good at Python? Okay, so please tell me. Priyanka is hi from Bangalore. Hi Priyanka, where in Bangalore? Then afterwards, okay. So how many of you are very good at Python? So please tell me in the chat. I'm opening my pitch deck, not pitch deck. I'm opening my deck in which I have lot much of thing. I know only how to print. Okay, no worries. You know only how to print. By the way, someone is at Let's Upgrade, and please stop spamming. I don't want you guys to spam my students. I don't want anyone to get spammed. Hey everyone. So all the people. So please tell me. Miru, I mean, like in Hindi, if I have to tell, okay. So I just want to tell you one thing. How many of you know what is Python? Okay, who all are good at Python and who all want to be good at Python? Okay, and who all are like share your insecurities or share your why you want to learn Python. Okay, so please tell me in the chat, right? So I mean, I am looking forward to your answer because I need to teach you all, guys. I will teach every one of you based upon whatever you give me the answer right now. Okay, so tell me in the chat, like, what is the number one thing you guys are looking at? I mean, in terms of Python. Sir, mere Telugu. Yes, I'm Telugu, by the way. So you guys can, I think you can understand my Hindi. So Bhim Rao is mentioning, I'm fresher, sir. Okay. Universal Rohit, me Rohit. Hi, Rohit. But I'm good at Java or Python. I'm yet to start. Okay, Ricky. Naveen official is saying it's a programming language. Yes, it's a programming language. But why you want to do Python? Okay, so now I want top 10 answers. I need 10 answers. I just need only 10 answers. Why you want to learn Python? So can you please tell me in the chat why you want to learn Python? So every one of you, I have 90 people watching me right now. Your professor or your teacher or your friend or whatever you want to call, I want to know why you want to learn Python. Then accordingly, I will teach you Python. So please tell me in the chat right now. So why you want to learn Python? So please tell me in the chat. Want to become data science? I want. Okay, I am good at Java, but Python I'm yet to start. Okay. Then afterwards, I'm poor in Python. It's totally fine. Someone want to learn it for machine learning. Someone want to teach their students. Amazing. Want to become data scientist? Okay. Likhi Shore is mentioning for interviews, for good job, to get a job, to want to make a Telegram bot. Amazing, Shivam Kumar. Then we have got Manish to become a software developer. Abhinav is mentioning for machine learning, to have a skill that's helpful. Okay, Sri Vikram. Then Akshay Panwar is mentioning, so we don't end up getting broke. Okay, I want to add one programming language to my skills. Okay. For algorithmic trading. Okay, that's amazing answer. I have got one, Sahil. Then Priyanka to get a job for my final year project. Okay, and for my final year. Bhagyashri for job, for making money. I want to be a hacker. Wow, amazing. Gaurav Roy is again amazing answer. No, a little bit of Python. Okay. So less number of lines of code for interviews and more knowledge. It's easy to learn more than learning Java. Harish Chinna. Okay, it's good answer. Pursuing some course. Okay. Debrat Chakravarti, good. And I want to learn to become a software developer, to become web developer, to improve programming skills. To okay, now I'll fasten it up. You also fasten it up in your comments. Okay, start my technical side with Python to learn new skills in Python. Okay, and to become CEH, certified ethical hacker. Good, Ricky. And I'm curious to know about, it's my first programming language, embedded systems programming. Okay, good, Janisha. MK, Pooja Paul. I know nothing about Python. I want to know about this. Okay, got it. Fine. Chalo. Now let's start with our today's whole thing. Okay. So Python, why one should learn Python? I will give you the best example right now. As I see, most of you guys are looking for either job or either placement or either paid internship, or like someone, very few of you guys are looking for algorithmic trading or like making a telegram bot or something like that. But most of you guys are looking for what? You are looking for either a job or either what do you say, a side something in terms of like, okay, hobby, but most of you guys want what? Job or a paid internship or something like that. Okay, career transition. Why? Clear? So now let's just go to NAU KRI. Okay, and let's hit this. I will give you, I want to hack your motivation right now. I want to give you two reasons to complete this program of 5 days. I want to give you two reasons. And I want a promise from every one of you who are attending this thing right now. Just two reasons. I want to make every one of you happy in terms of what I'm going to say, what I'm going to teach. But I want to show you number one reason why you should all follow this. Okay, I'm just going to search Python jobs. Okay, and I've got how many jobs here? Okay, I have got how many? I've got near about just give me 1 minute. I have got 1,83,046 jobs. Is it amazing to have these many openings in the market right now? It is literally 2 lakh job opportunities if you know Python at least. Okay, knowing just Python makes you eligible, or like little bit eligible for 1,83,000 jobs. Isn't it interesting? So please tell me, is it giving you a kind of motivation why you should be learning Python right now? So please tell me a yes, I should learn Python in the chat right now. Okay, so please text me there in the chat. I'm looking into your chat. Your chat is literally nothing. So I want more and more answers coming. For I can see only 3 4. I want more and more responses so that I can take it up. So you have 1,80,000. Have I hacked your motivation a little bit? Now the second motivation is, okay, second motivation which I'm going to give you. Okay, second motivation. Let's Upgrade has got, okay, so luc.to /placements. Okay, placement. I'm just trying to find out my placement brochure. Okay, so inside this placement brochure, this is our placement brochure, okay, in which we have these many faculties and all. Okay, so I want to show you something. So see, this is our placement package. Okay, so we have placed candidates in these all companies, and most of them literally require what we say, Python somewhere or other. Okay, so that's the reason why every one of you should be learning Python right now. Clear? So this is the second reason, I think, why these are all our partner companies, or like the companies where we have some kind of like connections to get you guys placed in. So for you to get placed in these all companies, even as a fresher with 4 lakhs per annum, you should be learning at least Python. Okay, so that's it. These are the two things what we say, which I wanted to say to make sure every one of you is completing the Python course. Now, if I see someone consistently coming for all the 5 days, okay, they will get some kind of gift at the one lucky person will get some kind of gift if they are coming every day and putting up their attendance daily. That's it. So if you put your attendance daily, you will be eligible for one gift. Every day it is going to be only 1 hour class, only 1 hour class. But in this 1 hour class, I'll make sure that I am answering and making you guys completely motivated to go ahead and practice whatever I am teaching to you. Is it clear? I'll teach you a little bit of concept, but I'll make sure that you guys, I mean, you are happy at the end of this class. Clear? If you guys are getting unhappy anywhere, please let me know. Okay. So now, good evening, sir. Shall we get a certificate from this course? 1,000% you will get a certificate after completing this course, but certificate should not be your aim. Your aim should be to get this skill to get into a job. That's it. That should be your particular thing what you should be looking for. Okay, now let's start. This is the Let's Upgrade's Python Essentials program. It's a 5-day program which we have 5 day into 1 hour each day as a teaching part, and then again we schedule few extra sessions in terms of projects and all. So those all will be taken care differently. Is it clear till now? Every one of you are along with me, so please give me a loud cheer in the chat so that we can start this thing right now. So please tell me in the chat so that I can start it right now. So please say something in the chat. Okay, now full program overview. Okay, so I will give you a full program overview. Now it's a 5-day program with few things. Just give me 1 minute, I'll share you your agenda. So see, so these many things you will be learning. You will be learning basics of Python, objects and data in Python, decision making in Python, loops with Python, modular programming in Python. It is decorator, it is not generator, it is decorators and iterators or object-oriented programming in Python, and a project. You will be building one project. Now we all will decide it together what project it is. Last time I had made a word guessing game. Last time we have developed this project. Now this time we will be developing some other project. Okay, so that's how it is. Okay, clear? So now overview of the Python. Okay, now we will understand what is Python, how to set up instead of setting up Anaconda, how to use Google Colab. We will understand this. Fine. So clear. So this is our agenda. Everyone clear with the agenda? Please tell me in the chat right now. Every one of you, are you guys clear with the agenda? Agenda is only this thing. Please take a screenshot and let us know if you guys are very clear with it. Now, let's go. Okay. So, okay, leave this thing. Okay, you guys will be getting a certificate from LetsUpgrade, ITM, NWID Labs, and NSDC after you complete this program. How to join the class? You can join the class. You can join the class on this YouTube channel. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you guys get the notifications every time when we start the class. Okay, so now inspiration is very clear. Okay, now let's start with the overview of Python. So Python, when it was developed, okay, I'll give you a very simple shots. When Python was developed in 1991 by a person, a gentleman known as GVR. Okay, what is GVR? Just like PVR. Okay, PVR Cinemas. Someone like GVR, Guido van Rossum, is the person who is behind Python, and he actually developed Python in the year of 1991, and Python became very popular in the year 2006. Onwards, it became very popular 2006 onwards. So please tell me, what is the reason behind, now it's the time for you to Google, okay? What is the reason for Python becoming famous after 2006? Okay, after 2006. Now, Python was developed in the year 1991, but it got famous as a popular programming language in 2006. Okay, so what is the reason? So can you please tell me in the chat? Okay, so in the meantime, I will give you one more example. The example is Java was released in 1995 with Sun Microsystems, but Java got 3 billion devices very quickly in the year of 1998 max. Okay, so by the year of 1998, okay, so Java had 3 billion downloads, or like 3 billion devices running on Java. So why was this difference? There? Okay, so 2006 Python became famous. See, Python कब बना? 1991 में बना. कब फेमस हुआ Python? 2006 में. Okay, लेट हुआ. जावा कब बना? जावा बना 1995 में. कब फेमस हुआ? 1997 में. Why? What was the reason? Can you tell me in the chat? I think Jitendra is answering one of the question. Naman Malik is again answering because Google adopted Python. Yes. So Sun Microsystems was backing up Java. Now the same ways Google in 2006 backed up Python, and Python became very popular that days. Okay, because the community community matters. If you have a huge community behind you, right? If you have a huge community behind you, people will come to you. Got it? If you have like, let us say a community which can help you solve the things, and also then people will come to you and use that product. If Java, in case of Java, Sun Microsystems was a very big company, very big company, which was backing up Java. That's the reason why it became quickly very popular. Okay, so now the next part, Advantages of Python. What are the advantages of Python? What do you think? What are the advantages of Python? Okay, so now here goes the 5 advantages. Number one, developers can learn it very quickly, way quickly than learning any other programming language. So the number one point, okay, number one, developers can learn it very quickly whenever they want. Okay, so like a developer like you can learn it very quickly as soon as possible. Are you guys along with me? So please tell me a yes in the chat if you guys are along with me. Okay, so now next thing is typically involves less amount of code. Typically involves very less amount of code. If you see Java, so see these many lines of code is there. But if you see Python, for the same thing, for the very same thing, these are only 3 lines of code. Here you have near about 18 lines of code. Okay, so that is the number 2 reason is this. The number 3 reason is I'm going to ask you a question based on this. So please focus. Now the third reason is syntax is easier to read. Okay, you can read what is written in this programming language. You can read what is written in this programming language. Are you guys clear with me? Are you guys clear with me? Please tell me a yes in the chat if you are clear with me. So syntax is very easier to read. Then utilized by every major technology giant, every major technology giant, you name it, from Tinder to Trello, from there to even if you go to Uber, you go to like even like Google is using it day in day out, or like Amazon, every even Let's Upgrade for that matter is using Python day in day out. Is it clear? Okay, so what is the second advantage? Second advantage is this: Java, in any other programming language, you have very big line of code. In Python, you have very less. IRCTC 100% they may be using it somewhere or other in terms of it. Shivam Kumar. Okay, so now next thing is huge amount of additional open source libraries. Now, what do you mean by huge amount of additional open source libraries? So please tell me in the chat. Okay, so if you what is a library? A library is a place where you have tons of books. Okay, a library is a place where you have tons and tons and tons of books. Now if your brain, which is a computer, want some kind of knowledge about Java, what I'll do, I'll go to a library, I'll pick a book, I'll read about it, I'll get some knowledge in my brain, and then I'm all of a sudden I am a Java expert, right? That's how it is. I go to a library, I pick up a Java book, I learn it, I understand it, and altogether my brain is a Java expert. So wherever you want to, okay, so use something which is already pre-written and get that skills in your particular programming language. So okay, I'll explain this thing in a very simple manner. I'll explain this whole open source libraries in a very simple manner. You are making a project. In that project you need to put a temperature calculator. Okay, so you can write a temperature calculator code. Okay, if you give Celsius, it should give you Fahrenheit. If you give you Fahrenheit, it should give you Celsius. If you give Celsius, it should give you Kelvin. Okay, Kelvin measure. So okay, you can do this, okay, but if you don't want to do that effort of putting a calculator, if you want to use something ready made, what you can do, you can download a library. You can download and use that library in your programming language. Is it clear? Is this thing clear? Last line, is it clear? So please give me a high five if you guys are clear with my point. Okay, so wherever you want to use some extra code and you don't want to write it, if it is available in the open source market, you will download it from there. Is it clear? Is this thing clear? Is this thing clear? Is this thing clear? So please tell me in the chat. Okay, I'll repeat. Okay, wherever you don't want to write your own code and you want to use some kind of library, you want to use yeah, you want to use some kind of pre-written code, because see, thousands of people are there, okay, out, and they all are writing code somewhere or other. Okay, everyone is writing some or other code, and if that code can be packaged in a book or something in a small document, and if that document can be downloaded for my project, so I will download that project and I will use it for what? I'll use it for my particular project. I don't have to write the whole big code. Okay, अगर मुझे अच्छा ऊपर से जा रहा है सबके कुछ समझ नहीं आया, कुछ समझ नहीं आया, please tell me if you guys are not understanding. I'll help you out to get out of this. Okay, okay, so I'll give you one small example, a real life example. Okay, so a real life example for library can be, you all are buying a car. Okay, you all are buying a car. Now in that car, okay, in that car you are buying a very base version car. Okay, very base version car. In that car, if you want to have an audio system, okay, if you want to have an audio system, and that audio system is not there in the car by default because it's a base version. Okay, it's a base version. So in that car, if I want an audio system, what I'll do, I'll go to a nearby shop, a car mechanic, and I'll say that ki bhaiya isme sound system lagao, right? I will say that only. I will ask him to like put up a sound system in the car. So the same thing I have asked, if I go and if I ask him to put a sound system, what he'll do, he will take a sound system and he'll put. What he's doing, he's using a pre-built module to put in the car. He's not developing the sound system. He's just taking the sound system and he's installing in the car, right? Everyone clear with my car example? Although it was bad, so but still, are you guys clear with my car example? The same way, in the open source market, everyone is developing some or other code. If your project, if your program wants to use that particular code, then what you will do, you will just simply go and take that project which is available in open source, you will put that in your project and it will start having that particular feature. That's it. Okay, for a particular feature you can use any code written by someone and published on the internet. That's it. Okay, so I'll explain this thing in detail in our going forward stuff, so you don't have to think about it much more. Okay, leave it. So I'll explain this thing in detail going forward, not now, so leave it. So now let's just go to someone here. Okay, so just give me 1 minute. How to write a Python code? How to write a Okay, how to write a Python code? How to write a Python code? So do you guys know how to write a Python code? Do you guys know how to write a Python code? So please tell me in the chat. Do you guys know how to write a Python code? Where should we write a Python code? क्या आपको पता है कहाँ पे Python code लिखा जाता है? So something like क्या आपके टूथपेस्ट में नमक है? Types. Okay, क्या आपको पता है Python code कहाँ लिखा जाता है? Do you guys know where is Python code written in your whole entire PC? ये अगर मेरा PC है तो इसमें Python code कहाँ लिखा जाता है? क्या आपको पता है ये चीज के बारे में? नहीं पता. So please tell me in the chat anywhere. अच्छा anywhere तो नहीं आंसर है उसका. इसका आंसर कुछ और है. I don't know. Someone is saying IntelliJ. Someone is telling I don't know how to write the code. Okay, any editor. Someone is saying Flutter. Someone is saying VS Code. Yes, VS Code is the right answer, but one of the answers. But yeah, so let's just go and explore all the answers. Okay, so there are three kinds of. Okay, I will not give you theory first. First, I'll just go and ask you guys to do something. We will do a practical. Then we will understand where all we can write code. So we can write code in PyCharm. We can write code in VS Code. We can write Python code inside a notebook environment. What is a notebook environment? I'll explain you. Okay, so okay, so now let me just every one of you, please open the tab in your wherever you are learning. Okay, where are you guys live from? So are you using your laptop? So how many of you are using your laptop? How many of you are using your mobile phone? How many of you are using something? So please tell me in the chat. So laptop, how many of you are on laptop? Okay, so now just go and open Google Colab. That's it. Just go and open Google Colab. Now, hey, Avantika, then Ruxana, and Sahil, Kapil, every one of you. Okay, someone has said MacBook. Hi, Ricky. Thanks a lot for saying that. Okay, थोड़े अमीर लोग भी हमारा class देख रहे हैं आजकल. Thank you. Okay, so now every one of you, just go to what? Go to what? Just type Google Colab. I'm putting it in your chat right now. By the way, just go and type it. Okay, so just Google Colab. Go to Google Colab and search it. So you will see this. Okay, in this particular screen, you don't have to do anything. You just have to go and click new notebook. Okay, so new notebook, आपको बस new notebook पे click करना है. Okay, so just click on new notebook. So in this new notebook, you have to just take this out and so now you have to name it like our first notebook LU. Just put LU somewhere so that मेरा branding हो जाए. Let's upgrade का थोड़ा कहीं तो लगा दो. ठीक है, so LU. Clear? So now, even in your mobile phone, guys, you can do this. So see, I'm going slow. I know that thing, but I want you guys to be very expert in whatever I'm teaching. I don't want कि तुम बस भाग जाओ यहाँ से. मुझे नहीं चाहिए कुछ. मैं धीरे धीरे जाऊंगा, but मैं तुम्हें expert बनाऊंगा. मैं धीरे धीरे जाऊंगा, बट मैं तुम्हें एक्सपर्ट बनाऊंगा. मेरे पे भरोसा रखो, मेरे पे विश्वास करो. आई विल बी देयर विथ यू गाइज इन नेक्स्ट 5 days. यू विल डू समथिंग इन योर लाइफ. आप मम्मी पापा, अपने भाई बहन, फ्रेंड के पास जाकर बोल सकते हो, हे डूड, आई नो पाइथन. Okay, so don't tell me anything. Okay, so I know Python, how to do it, so how to write code in Python. मुझे basics पता है. अगर आपको, अगर like, if you want this thing, let's go very slow. Let's do it and let's learn and let's be rowdies in Python in the end of the whole thing. Okay. Okay. So now Google Colab, just go type Google Colab in your mobile. Okay. If you go type Google Colab in your mobile, you will see this. And आपके mobile phone में भी आप code कर सकते हो. Okay. So you can code in your mobile phone also. So I hope that you guys are very clear. देखो ऐसे दिखता है. ठीक है, आप अपने मोबाइल फोन के अंदर भी कोड कर सकते हो. So now let's just go ahead. What should be our number one line while writing Python code? सबसे पहला लाइन क्या होना चाहिए Python code लिखते टाइम? So आज अपन लिख रहे हैं सबसे ज्यादा बेसिक, the base of writing any code. Okay, it is hello world. Okay, जैसे आप गाड़ी निकालते हो तो पूजा करके लाते हो ना, मतलब स्वस्तिका, और नारियल फोड़ते हो, फिर नींबू लगाते हो, कुछ तो करते हो, राइट? नींबू रखते हो. The same way, it's a hello world. Okay, it's a pratha. What it is? It's a practice. It's a holy practice. Okay, it's a godly practice. Okay, we will do the same thing. Okay, so just go print print सर्कल वाले ब्रैकेट्स एंड इसके अंदर in this thing you have to write down hello world, shakshat pranam. Okay, if you want to write down something like that. So just now, okay, I have done something which I have not told you. So it is like see, आपको यहाँ पे computer allocate हो रहा है. This Python is not running on your mobile phone or your laptop or anywhere. This particular Python which will run, it will run on Google Cloud. Okay, it will run on Google Cloud. So Google Cloud has allocated you a particular RAM, a disk, and Python 3. This thing is happening with the help of what? It's a virtual computer which is there. Okay. Now it is like print. आपने क्या लिखा? Print colon के अंदर, I mean inside this what we say inverted commas, you have just put what? Hello world. Is this thing clear? Is this thing clear? बस अगर हो गया है तो जोर से चिल्लाओ, hey, I have done my very first piece of code. हमने हमारा godly practice कर लिया. Okay, so it is like you have just written a hello world code. This is a Python code. Okay, it's a Python code. Is this thing clear? Is this thing clear? So now the same Python code and all you can write in various places. I will tell you the various places, but this is your first line of code. Please feel proud a little bit. थोड़ा सा proud feel करो, थोड़ा सा. Okay, and Dora the Explorer, if ever you guys have seen it, जैसे वो बंदी बोलती ना, हाँ मैंने किया, मैंने कुछ तो बनाया, right? हमने ढूंढ लिया. Dora the Explorer, yes, I have got it, I have got it, I have got it. The same way, yes, you got it. My name is Mr. Sai, not Mr. Sai. My name is Sai. Okay, so yeah, we did it. So it's like that. Fine, clear. So fine. So now let's just go ahead. Okay. So now let's not get super excited. एकदम चांद पे नहीं जाना है, चने के झाड़ पे नहीं चढ़ना है. तो next step करते हैं. So how to write a Python code? What we have to open? we have to open, नींद में से भी उठ के पूछे कोई भी तो क्या बोलना है, we have to open Google Colab. Okay, so the baseline thing to do is we have to open Google Colab, and कुछ भी नहीं, uh, so we have to write a basic print. That's it, simple. So we have done with our this thing. Now let's just go ahead and understand where all can we write Python code. Okay, where all can we write Python code? Okay, where all, what are other possibilities? Okay, what are other possibilities to run a Python code? Is it clear till here? क्या यहाँ तक सब सही है? ఇక్కడ వరకు అంతా ఓకేనా? ఓకే, ఇట్ ఇస్ తెలుగు. અહીંયા સુધી બધું સારું છે? And यहाँ तक सब ठीक है? आतापन सब ठीक है? So multiple languages, whatever I know, I just told. So please respond me back saying that yes, all clear. Why are you not using VS Code? Will it create any difference if we use that? Avantika, it is, yes, it is, you can use it. Okay, but I don't want to complicate things at the very start of this particular Python essentials ka relationship with you all guys. Okay, so that is the reason why I'm taking it very slow with you, every one of you here. So yes, we all are finding to get into a relationship to understand Python. So in this relationship, we all to take thoda dhire dhire se. So it is a VS Code. That is the reason why we VS Code we will do it. दूसरे या तीसरे दिन में अपन सीखेंगे. Okay, we will learn VS Code in the second or the third day. Okay, it's a promise from my side. Please be in charge if you guys find I'm not doing it. Okay, so can we go ahead? Can we go ahead? Is it everyone clear? Can we go ahead? So now let's start. So there are three types of code environment. Okay, for writing any kind of code. आपको एंड्रॉइड ऐप बनाना है, आपको जावा लिखना है, if you also want to do Flutter, if you want to do JavaScript, or if you want to do anything, any kind of code in this world, you will get at least two ways to do it. Okay, the first two ways, it's a text editor, and the second one is a full IDE. Okay, text editor and a full IDE. Now, okay, so I will explain you, and the third version is also there, that is notebook environment, which is specifically developed for Python. Okay, notebook environment is there specifically for what? Now I need the answer. Okay, so text editors, full IDEs are there for various languages, but notebook environments are specifically developed for something. What is that? Dash. What is that dash? Now I need the answer. Okay, the first one to get answer will get a shout out from me. Now, so let's just start. What is a text editor? You can see your code at Google Drive. Yes, you can see your code at Google Drive. Okay, so it is Shri Vikram who just answered it, Python. Yes. So now, text editors are nothing just but a general editors for any text file. Everyone knows something in their Windows. If you right click, if you go to a new, and there is a blue button known as new notebook, right? Everyone have done it in your life. सबने अपने लाइफ में किया है नया नोटबुक क्रिएट करना. Everyone in your life have done this new notebook creation thing in your Windows desktop. Yes or no? So if I have to do it here again for you all, so I have to share my screen separately. Oh, it's so idiot. देखो गायब हो गया हमारा स्क्रीन. ठीक है, so okay, so my screen is not visible, so I think it's my part of the. सबने यार नया नोटबुक तो क्रिएट किया ही है ना जिंदगी में, सबने तो किया ही है ना, right? So yeah, so it is just a new notebook creation in which you can also create a Python file. Okay, now if I have to explain it in a very simple words, all the people who worked with text editors are generalized. They can be used for writing a notepad, okay, or like writing something like Java code, or writing anything in this world. You can use text editor. Okay, so the number one example of text editor can be this. So let me just go ahead and stop sharing, and okay, I can share my screen back again. Share a screen. I want to share my entire screen. I want to do this. Okay, so when you do this new, okay, so in this new, see this text document, you are able to see if I write down hello.py. Okay, so This is a notepad. If I write down print hello world, don't see other things what are on my desktop. Okay, so it is just okay. Now I can save it as save as. Go to save as, and here. How many of you play Counter Strike? Please tell me in the chat. Now you have to select your all files, and you select hello py. That's it. Save. Yes. Replace. यार ये क्या हो गया? So this hello py is nothing just but a particular. So what you have done right now, you have been programming in a notepad. It's a text editor. So you have been coding inside a text editor. Is this part clear? Is this part clear, every one of you? Is this part clear, every one of you? Please tell me in the chat right now. Is this part clear to every one of you? Please tell me in the chat right now. They are generally text editors for any kind of file. Okay, work with variety of file types, can be customized with plugins and all. When we will install VS Studio, on day 2 or day 3, that time I will explain you about text editors in more detail. Is it clear? Is this thing clear? So please tell me in the chat right now. Please, can you tell about the TD, the days program? No. Okay. Okay, so I will tell you how to compile and all. Pratima, just be with us, and even Preeti. Tomorrow we will understand that how to do it. Now, second is full IDs. Now, what is full IDs? Okay, what do you mean by IDs? Now, please tell me what do you mean by IDs? Okay, so it's a quiz to every one of you. So, what do you mean by IDs? Okay, so I'm just seeing you guys. In the meantime, you are telling me what do you mean by IDs. So, stop share screen, window, share. Okay, what do you mean by IDs? Okay, so please, I need the answer. What do you mean by IDs? Can we get any material or notes from you? 1000% you can get notes and material from me. Nothing to ask about it. Okay, so whosoever is studying from me, they all will get notes and everything from me. Okay, so now integrated development environment is the answer. Okay, Naveen and Ruxana, right? I hope that Ruxana, I'm pronouncing your name properly. So yes, it is integrated development environment. Okay, IDE. These are available for all the programs, like all the languages, like Java, like PHP, like even JavaScript, various kind of programming languages. You have integrated development kit, integrated development environments, which are designed specifically for a particular language. Okay, IDEs are designed specifically for particular language. Now, okay, they are large, they are made for large programs or a Hey, hi, can you guys see me right now? Please tell me in the chat. Although my hair is all the way. Okay, can you guys see me? Class ki join ayano ante dude no. Okay, internet went down over there. I think it might take. Yes, now I'm back. Okay, so if you guys can actually hear me out there, so please give me a confirmation if you guys can. So okay, so where were we? We were like at what are the differences? What are the differences between IDE and what is the difference between? Okay, number one was IDE and the number two was text editor. What are the two differences between text editor and the IDE? So please tell me in the chat. So what are the differences between an IDE and text editor? So the text editor is nothing just but in which you will be learning. In which you will be coding for generalized purpose. You can code for Java, you can code for Python, you can code for PHP, you can code anything. Okay, but in case of like what we say, in case of uh, uh, IDE, you are actually you are going to use actually a very specific coding platform, that is IDE. And I'm very sorry, guys, my internet is fluctuating a lot. My internet is fluctuating a lot. So today's class, what I'm going to do, okay, I'm going to do is going to take tomorrow. So I hope that you all guys will join me tomorrow. I'm not going to disappoint you all. Okay, so it is just that. Um, uh, Okay, it is just that my internet is giving me a problem, and my voice is not clear. This stream is telling me. So what I'll do, I'll take today's class tomorrow. Okay. So is this thing clear? Is this thing clear? So tomorrow, can I meet every one of you here? So just a small promise to me, so that tomorrow we all guys will meet and we will continue where we left. Okay. So tomorrow we will basically start our coding journey, and tomorrow we will go and complete our data structures, variable assignment, file handling. Okay, so these three things we will do tomorrow. Is this thing clear? Is this thing clear? Please tell me a yes in the chat so that I can understand that you all guys are along with me. And although I'm running on my hotspot right now, it may end up because this YouTube live consumes a lot of internet. So that is the reason why I'm not taking it ahead. So thanks a lot for understanding. I hope that you guys are very clear about it. So there is no assignment for today. There is no assignment absolutely for today. The only and only one assignment for every one of you today is to uh, go to our Instagram and post a photograph with you. Okay, so it is just take a selfie like this. Okay, take your selfie. I'll just go ahead and do that. Okay, take your selfie. Okay, take your selfie and post it on your Instagram, tag Let's Upgrade, and Let's Upgrade will come to, I mean, Let's Upgrade will select someone, one of the person, and will deliver you a Let's Upgrade t-shirt at your house. Okay, so just you have to take your selfie with you and tag letsupgrade.in, and we will send a t-shirt to the number one, very nice person who have done. It's like not now, I mean, you can take a selfie after this also, but just take a selfie and write, I'm attending Python essentials, and write as what do you say, take a selfie and post it on your Instagram, tag letsupgrade.in. That's it. We will be there. We will give a number one person who is doing that, they will get a t-shirt. Okay, now because it's already the time I should be pitching for Let's Upgrade's program. Now all the people who are here, so how many of you want to make a career in what we say, career in Python? So all the people who want to make a career in Python, you can go to this Python and Django page on Let's Upgrade and go to this particular program. It's a 200-hour live program in which you will be building 15 plus projects, community with 24 by support and all. Okay, so now what is this? So we have so many companies here who want to hire from Let's Upgrade. We have so many companies here who want to hire from Let's Upgrade to make sure that you all guys are placeable. You all guys are placeable. So we have launched something known as Let's Upgrade Full Stack Program. So all the people who are interested in taking up admission in a full stack program, which is a 6 months long program to help you become a backend developer who is working exactly in companies where Netflix, Facebook, TCS, Infosys, IBM kind of companies. So you can actually participate in our full stack program. We don't give admission to everyone in this full stack. It's a paid program. It's if you guys go and enroll right now, it is of 29,600. But if you actually go ahead and use the coupon code SAI 10, okay, if you guys use the coupon code SAI 10, okay, so you guys will get a huge discount on this. Now where you have to register is like luc.to/pgp. Okay, this is the particular link where you have to go and register yourself and use the referral code SAI 10. Fine. So this is the place where you have to go and register yourself if you are interested in PGP. I will talk to you guys personally and mentor you that you should do this program, yes or no. And please put the code SAI10 here. You will get 4,000 rupees off if you use this particular code. Not only 4,000 rupees off, but I will counsel you. If you put SAI10, I will counsel you. So just go to this link. Okay, if you want to make your career in the IT field and if you want expert guidance to get placed in companies with packages like this, okay, so 100% you can actually give a shot to this thing. And we will be very happy to take you guys to the next level. Okay, so these are the companies where we have already placed and we will take you to the next level. So just go ahead and fill this thing, and my code is SAI10. Okay, it is SAI10. If you fill that, then only you will get the discount. Just make sure that you're filling this thing and with long details, and we will get back to you anytime soon. Okay, so okay, so thanks a lot, guys. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day. Tomorrow we will continue our class, and tomorrow's thing is like how to handle files. And tomorrow we will build one project in which you will be writing to a file without opening that file. Okay, you will be writing something into that file. And you will not even open that file. Okay, it's like file handling. Okay, how notepad works, how anything works, we will understand that tomorrow. So yes, I'm looking forward to you all, guys. Thanks a lot. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day. And thank you. Good night. Good night, guys. Bye bye. Bye, everyone.
Recent decades have seen a dramatically accelerating pace in the development and adoption of new technologies, but a gap persists in terms